In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can block no caller ID calls on your iPhone. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But no caller ID calls can be very annoying just because they are usually spam or unwanted callers, so here's how you can block them. Begin by opening up the Settings app, and what you're going to want to do is actually scroll all the way down to the very bottom and select on this little search bar, and then search for Phone. Once you get on your phone setting, go ahead and open it up and scroll all the way down towards the bottom-ish section of the screen, and you're looking for an option called Screen Unknown Callers. Go ahead and set this option to silence, just like so. Once this is turned on, no caller ID calls and unknown numbers are going to be silenced and automatically sent straight to voicemail. They will still appear in your recent call list, but your phone won't ring for them. Also, what I would do is make sure that you do enable unknown callers for call filtering as well, just because this is going to add another layer of protection against spam. But overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.